So what I do is I just take her around, tuck her. All right. I take the other side. I kind of grab that and kind of go around it. I call this like my messy bun because there's no wrong or right way to this. All right, I'm just going to put that out there. However you tie her, she looks good either way, right? I could have been a little bit neater, but to be honest with you, ladies, I like it looking a little messy. It brings character to it, personality to it, and I love the color payoff. And one thing you'll learn about head wrapping is each and every time you head wrap, the print is placed differently. All right, it's amazing to me, right? But just wrapping it around, like I said, is no wrong or right way to it, and you get something like this. I love it because to me it's the easiest head wrap, right? It's a no-brainer. Tie it on the head, wrap it around, and go. All right, really easy way to make it look good, right?